Choose freedom, choose adventure, choose leisure.
Hi campers, welcome back to the Choose Leisure Motorhome channel. My name's Dawn and I'm one of the dedicated handover technicians down here at Choose Leisure Motorhomes in Canterbury and Kent. Today I'm going to give you a quick run through on one of the fridges. It's a Dometic fridge, it's the 9 series, and we quite often get questions about how to operate it and how to troubleshoot it if you get an error code. So if you want to come with me, we'll go through it now. So here we are looking at the control panel. As you can see, the fridge is currently on. We've got an on-off switch just up here. We've got our warning error light that comes up here. We've got our travelling battery symbol. We've got the gas symbol, mains electric. This fridge is equipped with an automatic mode. We've got our temperature display, our mode button, which will go through the power settings, and then our temperature button that allows us to adjust the temperature. So with this particular fridge and the fact that it's got the automatic mode, it means that the fridge will decide how to power itself. So on automatic mode, it will automatically try and source mains hookup, because if you're on electric pitch, why would you not want it to do that? So it's going to source a mains hookup in every instance first off. If it can't get mains, then it will go to its next power source, which will be probably gas if you've got your gas bottle turned on and your engine is not running. Or if you start your engine up, then it will automatically go onto your travelling battery. So we are currently in a motorhome. So in a motorhome, your travelling battery will be your engine battery. But if you're in a caravan, then your travelling battery will be your car battery once it's hooked up to the caravan. We can use the mode button to actually force it off automatic and go through the sequence of power settings ourselves. So for instance, if I press the mode button now, it's going to go straight from automatic mains and it's gone onto the battery. As you can see, we've got a warning light and it's bleeping at us because we've not got the engine running, so therefore the fridge is telling us it can't work. If we take it off battery, we put it onto gas. The gas is self-ignition. It takes about 3 or 4 attempts to get the gas and ignite the fridge. If after that time it can't find the gas supply, then it again will come up with a little warning triangle to tell us that it can't function. At which point, if you go outside the vehicle, you turn your gas on or swap your bottle over if you've run out of gas, then the fridge will, you can reset the fridge and it will start going through the ignition sequence again. There is a time delay on the auto mode from going from battery to gas in case you are at a filling station and you're filling up with fuel. The time delay is around about 15 minutes. If you feel like you're going to be longer in a queue, maybe than 15 minutes, then it is really advised to go into the rear of the vehicle and turn your fridge to off, turn the whole fridge off. If I go through the mode function again, I can take it off gas. It's now cut the gas supply and it's gone back onto electric. If I go one more, it's going to go onto auto and it's automatically found mains because we are currently on mains hookup. If I go through the power, underneath the power, beg your pardon, if I go through the temperature gauge, I can go from minimum to maximum. So this is minimum cold to maximum cold. In the winter time, you'll probably only want it about there. Of course, if you're in very cold conditions, you do have winter covers that can go on the exterior of the vehicle. You put the bottom winter cover on, but if you are running the fridge on gas in cold conditions, you will need to keep the top vent uncovered to allow for the exhaust fumes to come out, otherwise it will cut out. If you do get a warning light turn up to say that you've run out of gas or it's not finding mains and the fridge can't power itself, there is a reset function built into the power button. If you press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, then the fridge will go through a reset function and then it will actually reset the fridge. If you hold it for longer than 3 seconds, then you'll turn the fridge off. If you have a warning signal come up for gas, it doesn't matter if it's on automatic and it's found mains hookup. If you've still got a warning light on, it's probably telling you, I still can't work, even though I'm getting mains and I'm getting nice and cold, I can't work if you put me on gas. At which point you'll need to either change your bottle over, turn your gas on, and then press the reset function so it can go through the ignition sequence again. You can get warning lights come up. So if you've had your fridge door open for too long, then obviously all of the cold escapes. It will bleep, bit like your fridge does at home 9 times out of 10, to tell you that you have left the door open too long, or maybe if you've left it ajar and you don't realise. So it can't maintain the temperature, then it will come up with a little warning light there to tell you that the fridge door is open. So if you do that, then just close the fridge door up, and the fridge will then correct itself. So there's no need to go through the reset function for that. When you actually want to power the fridge off, you just press and hold the button, and the fridge will then turn off. The whole display has now gone dark and the fridge is completely off. Obviously you can turn it back on again. When you turn it back on again, it will automatically go on to whichever function you left it on last. So if you leave it on automatic, then the fridge will be on automatic the next time you turn it on. So there we have it. That is the quick run through on the Dometic fridge. I hope you found that quick run through very useful. And yeah, let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like us to film and show you in the future. Until next time, campers, carry on camping.